2023 Las Vegas SEMA Show. I'm Alex from Novsight here. Today I'd like to introduce you Novsight Pro and new product.
Alright, now let's talk about our Rock series. So right here is our vintage entry-level Rock series headlight. Starting from here, we have our 4-inch headlight features with a side illuminated design, which offer a wider angle illumination. And for these products right here, this 5 inches, 7 inches, and 9 inches, these headlights have more power, outstanding power output, ranging from 80 watts to 180 watts. If you're looking for something with reasonable pricing, good quality headlights, these will be your best buddies. So these are Cyber Series, our new product for the season. What sets the Cyber Series apart is its cutting-edge AI technologies. So this is a blueprint for our design. Our headlights incorporate AI CG technologies, and with 3 different light modes, you can pick the perfect settings under any condition, any weather condition. This is our new product, 5 inches, 80 watts power, Cyber Series. This is not just a headlight, but a companion on your journey. This is our brand new hardtop roof tent that will be released at the end of 2023. The series is named after zebra, as we refer to the zebra pattern design right here. All the material we use for the tent are biodegradable and also renewable. They're all eco-friendly. One key feature of the tent is extremely quick setup time. It only takes about 10 seconds to set up the whole thing. And also we have a ladder here, which is retractable and also portable for easy operation. At the back here, there are plenty of storage inside and alongside the tent, like the carry-on right here at the back for your belongings. If you're looking for a quality tent for your adventures, our Zebra series will be your best bet.
The Halo series, we have 3 sizes. This is the 4.5 inch, and this is the 3 inch, and this is the 6 inch. And this series, we make a day running light here. And also, we make a cover with black cover and also amber cover. This cover can be removed. So if you want to make it black, you can just change the black cover. Okay, now let's see the details. It has 5 beam patterns, including sport beam, spread beam, fork beam, driver beam, and also camber beam. The wattage is 48 watts each pieces. And also let's move to the second size. This size is 4.5 inch. This size with 5 beam pattern as well, including the sport beam, spread beam, fork beam, and driver beam, and also camber beam. The wattage is 48 watts per pieces. Okay, here comes the biggest one of Halo series. The size is 6 inch. Let's take a look. This model also has the amber cover and also has the black cover, which can be removed from the ball. And let's turn on it. And this ball has 2 beam patterns. One is the sport beam, another is a combat beam. The wattage of this ball is 60 watts per pieces.
I absolutely love everything. I've always loved all your products, lighting, the rooftop tent. I think it's amazing. I love it all.